हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 11th पार्ट नंबर 3 स्ट्रेट लाइन के अंदर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बेसिक क्वेश्चन के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं। ध्यान दो, तो ये हमारा है क्लास 11th स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट नंबर 3। पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं। तो पार्ट नंबर 3 के अंदर जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है कि इफ द एंगल बिटवीन द टू लाइन इज π/4 and slope of one of the line is half, find the slope of the other line। तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन के लिए सिंपल मेथड क्या होता है, ध्यान दो। तो आपने देखा इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमसे एंगल पूछा गया, तो फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ अदर लाइन। तो सपोज करो लेट स्लोप ऑफ अदर लाइन दैट इज m2 इक्वल टू व्हाट m, and slope of first line that is m1 is given how much, that is half, right? And angle between the two line that is theta is given how much, π/4। तो आप जानते हो कि angle between the two line, if the angle between two line is theta, then formula हमारा होता है that is tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, right? Tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So here tan theta value is given what, that is tan theta. So this is given tan π/4 and this equal to what, m2 minus m1. So m2 is what, m1 is given half, right? And here 1 plus m1 m2. So this is m1 is given half and m2 is given m, right? So we can solve this like m minus half, we can write this 2m minus 1, right? And here also 2, in this question 1 plus m/2. So we can write there 2 plus m, okay? So this is 2m minus 1/2 and here 2 plus m/2, 2 and 2 cancel out. So you get 2m minus 1 and here 2 plus m. So tan π/4 equal to this. Okay. You know tan π/4 equal to 1. So 1 equal to what? 2m minus 1 upon 2 plus m. So this is the mod. So we can take one positive value and one time negative value. So agar one time positive value, if we take one positive value, that is 1 equal to what, that is 2m minus 1 divided by 2 plus m. So when we cross this number, we will get 2m minus 1 equal to 2 plus m. So when m here 2m minus m, that is m. So m equal to what, 3. In the same way, if we solve this question like 1 equal to what, that is minus of 2m minus 1 divided by 2 plus m. Then we will get minus 2m plus 1 and divided by 2 plus m. So again we cross multiply this number, then we will get 2 plus m. 2 plus m equal to minus 2m plus 1. So 2m here, so this become 3m. So 3m equal to what? That is 1 minus 2. This is minus 1. So m equal to minus 1/3. So our correct answer is what? M equal to 3 or m equal to minus 1/3. So this is the important formula. When angle between the two line is given by tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 m2 are slope of the line first and line second. Okay, now see the next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। 3 points, that is P point whose coordinate HK, Q point whose coordinate x1 y1 and R point whose coordinate x2 y2 lie on a line. That means all these 3 points are collinear. Then we have to show this point. ओके, ये तीनों पॉइंट P Q R क्या है, कॉलिनियर पॉइंट्स है। तो आपको प्रूफ करना है, शो करना है दिस इक्वेशन। तो आप जानते हो कभी भी 3 पॉइंट्स अगर कॉलिनियर दिया गया है तो क्या होता है, स्लोप ऑफ फर्स्ट 2 पॉइंट दैट इज स्लोप ऑफ लाइन पी क्यू इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ लाइन क्यू आर। तो आप इसको लिख सकते हो दैट इज पी क्यू आर आर कॉलिनियर, पी क्यू आर क्या है, कॉलिनियर है। सो स्लोप ऑफ पी क्यू इक्वल टू व्हाट, स्लोप ऑफ क्यू आर, राइट। स्लोप ऑफ पी क्यू इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ क्यू आर। सो स्लोप ऑफ पी क्यू इज व्हाट, जानते हो स्लोप क्या होता है, h2 minus x1. So here h2x x1 h, so this is what, x minus h, and y2 minus y1. So this is y2 is y1, this is k. So this is what, y1 minus k. This equal to slope of QR. So this is Q, this is again h2 minus x1. So this is x2 minus x1 and divided by y2 minus y1, right? So if we cross multiply this number, we will get like this. So this is what, x minus, this is what, h minus x1. So this is x1. So you can say x1 minus h or h minus x1. So this is x1, this is what, x1 minus pq. So this is x1 minus h. So this is x1 minus h. This is what, y1 minus k. So we can write this cross multiply x1 minus h into y2 minus y1, and this equal to what, that is y1 minus k and equal to x2 minus x1. So we have to find h minus x1 and here also k minus y1. So if we take minus common, so we will get h minus x1 into, this is the same y2 minus 1 because we have taken minus from this. So this equal to, again here taken minus common. So this is k minus y1 into x2 minus x1, and this minus and this minus cancel out. What we get, same thing, h minus x1 into y2 minus y1 equal to k minus y1 h2 minus x1. So when any 3 points lie on a same line, then 3 points are what, collinear. So if there is a PQR are collinear, then slope of PQ equal to slope of QR. You know the formula, what is the slope when the 2 points are given. When the 2 points are given, then slope is what, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So here you can say slope of PQ, that is y2 minus y1. So this is y1 minus k upon x1 minus h. So you can write reverse because we have done here both. That is, we have given here h2 minus x1, y2 minus y. Yeah, you can write y2 minus y1 upon h2 minus x1 because when the two ratios are same, then you can find reciprocal also will be same. So slope formula is what, y2 minus y1 divided by h2 minus x1. But here both are slope. So if we go for the reciprocal, then no problem, your answer will be right. So here suppose this is the x2 minus x1 and then there is a y2 minus y1. You can write also y1 2 minus y1 upon h2 minus x1 because the slope formula is what, that is the difference of y-axis, y-coordinate divided by difference of x-coordinate. So y2 minus y1 divided by h2 minus x1. So you can write, you both are same, so you can go for the reverse also. So this is the right answer, we have proved this. Okay, so इसी तरह से क्लास 11 स्टेट लाइन पार्ट नंबर 4 के अंदर हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे। अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन अच्छी तरह से समझ में आया तो आप इसे अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर कीजिए और हमारे YouTube चैनल ज्ञास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।